In today's video, we're going to learn how to crop a picture from within Microsoft PowerPoint. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. I have an image that I want to crop the left-hand side of so that I have a little more real estate on the slide. I'm going to select the image and then right-click it and select Format Picture. This will bring up some additional options, and under the Picture button, we have the crop options. Now, this takes a little bit of getting used to, but we have the picture position. This is where it is on the page, and then our crop position. And what I want to do is I want to add some crop to this side. So it takes me a little bit of clicking around, but I'm going to move this left crop by simply selecting the up arrow or changing the number in there to adjust my crop. And I'm going to take it all the way over there to 6.2. And now I could make my image a little bit larger if I want to, so that it fits more appropriately on the screen. That concludes today's video on how to crop an image from within PowerPoint. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, take a look at the link in the description of this video. And as always, I can be your personal accessibility expert. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.